Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of Sago coconut fruit custard pudding. This dessert is so delicious and you can make it on any occasions. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, prepare any 2 flavored jellies. I'm going to make pineapple and strawberry jelly. Prepare the jellies by following the instructions mentioned in the package. Place the prepared jellies into the refrigerator. These are the ingredients required to make the pudding. The main ingredient to make this dessert is sago. This is nylon sago, which I'm not using to make this dessert. Here comes the quite big size sago, so this only I'll be using it for the dessert. Soak the sago in water for 30 minutes. Heat 2 cups of water in a saucepan. Add in 3/4 cup of soaked sago. Add in half a liter of milk. Cook the sago nicely in the milk. The sago will turn glossy once cooked. That's how we'll know the sago is cooked. Once sago is cooked nicely, add in 1 cup of sugar. Give it a mix so that everything combines well. Add in 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. Well, this is optional. The sago has cooked well and the milk has reduced. Now add in 1 cup of thick coconut milk. Cook it in low flame so that it doesn't curdle. Add in 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Now add in 2 tablespoons of custard powder. I have mixed the custard powder in 1/4 cup of water. The pudding will thicken once you add the custard powder. Now add in half a cup of fresh cream. Well, this is optional. Give it a stir and cook it for 1 minute and switch off the flame. The pudding mix will thicken once it cools down. I'm going to set this pudding in this stem bowl. Add in 1.5 cups of mixed fruits. I have taken grapes, bananas and dates. You can use any fruits as per your wish. Now add in the sago pudding mix. You could see that the pudding is thickening. Set the pudding in the refrigerator for 2 hours. The 2 flavored jellies are ready now. After setting the pudding in the refrigerator, I'm adding in the jelly. So make sure the pudding should be cold while adding the jelly, or else the jelly will melt. Finally, garnish the pudding with the chopped pistachios, almonds and cashew nuts. This pudding is almost similar to Shireen. Sago coconut fruit custard pudding is ready to be served now. Do try this pudding and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.